So good evening, everybody. My name is Ian Will. I'm out here doing a cooking video this afternoon. I did me a part one of my video, cooking me some squash and cook, put a couple pieces of ham in it. The squash cooking pretty good right now. You know, I didn't think I didn't thought it would take this long to cook the squash, but it take longer than I thought it would. It used to take about 35 minutes. So my name is Ian Will. If you never saw my video before, please like, share, and subscribe to my video. So I decided to do a part two of my video, cooking me some squash this afternoon for my afternoon lunch. The squash getting along pretty good. Coming along pretty good. And everybody, my name is I cooked me some ribs yesterday, a little bit of rice, so, but I didn't cook no vegetable with that, so I haven't flushed in my freezer. So I decided to change up a little bit, doing some squash. So everybody, I do a little bit of cooking every once in a while. I have to cook because I live by myself, so I do a little bit of cooking. So most of the time I go out and eat. So I never cooked squash. I cooked squash one time before. See how they look coming out? They're coming out pretty good. I cooked squash one time before, and they came out pretty good. I think these others come out pretty good too. You know, so I decided to do a video of it while I am doing it. So I'm doing a cooking video. Everybody, I'll be right back. I'm back. I'm about to wind this video up. See how they're coming? They're coming real good. I dropped some on the floor. Gotta pick it up. Because drop all kind of things, roaches, a tick. I won't know roaches in here. I think my squash is done now. think they are done. And I think I'm gonna take them off, turn them off, turn all my eyes off. Save the rest of them for another meal. So this is gonna be my meal today. Rice, squash, and pork ribs. Baby back ribs I cooked yesterday. So everybody, I appreciate you for looking at my video. My name is Ian Will. I'm doing a cooking video this afternoon. And I do a little cooking video every once in a while. So everybody have a blessed day. May God be with everyone and keep everyone safe. So everybody, I need everybody to subscribe to my video. Like, share, and subscribe. And I will appreciate that everybody do. And I appreciate that everybody don't. So everybody have a blessed day until I see you in my next video. Peace out.